Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer Solana to Phantom Wallet. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Solana website. Locate the option to log into your existing Solana wallet or create a new one. If you're creating a new wallet, follow the on-screen instructions to set it up. Once logged in, find the section where you can send or transfer tokens. Select the amount of Solana you wish to transfer. You will need the receiving address for your Phantom wallet. Open your Phantom wallet extension or application. Click on the wallet icon to reveal your wallet address. Copy the wallet address by clicking the copy icon. Return to the Solana wallet interface. Paste your Phantom wallet address into the recipient field. Double-check the address to ensure it is correct. Proceed to confirm the transfer by clicking on the Send button. You may be prompted to verify the transaction details before proceeding. Once confirmed, the transaction will be processed. Monitor the status of your transaction on the Solana Blockchain Explorer if needed. After a few moments, check your Phantom wallet to confirm the funds have arrived. You have successfully transferred Solana to your Phantom wallet. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.